What if you could lower your electricity bill while helping the environment? Energy efficient electrical upgrade do just that. From smart thermostat to LED lights, these simple changes can make a huge difference in both your wallet and your carbon footprint. Let's explore how you can save energy and money with a few key electrical upgrades. Switching to LED lights is one of the easiest ways to save money. LEDs use up to 75% less energy than incandescent bulbs and last 25 times longer. Not only do they reduce your electrical bills, but they also minimize the hassles of frequent bulb replacement. Smart thermostat automatically adjust the temperature in your home based on your schedule by learning your delay routine. These devices optimize heating and cooling, saving energy when you are not home. They can cut your heating and cooling cost by up to 10%, and they are easy to install. Upgrade your HVAC system to more energy efficient model can drastically reduce your energy consumption. In addition, regularly cleaning or replacing air filter keeps your system running smoothly, ensuring it does not waste energy. These simple actions not only save energy but extend the life of your system. Energy efficiency is more than just a buzzword, it's a smart way to save money